Hello guys, good evening and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech with Sachin Pal. I'm Sachin Pal. I'm from Unnao, Uttar Pradesh, and I hope you all are doing well and you all are able to learn something on daily basis. And if you are have some attitude like learning something new or learning something on daily basis, then with the help of continuous learning you are able to expand your knowledge base, and one day you are feeling complete. And as you all are well known, like I have started 100 day challenge for myself, and in that particular challenge I'm going to create or make a video blog in spoken English till 100 days, and I'm continuous on it, and today is the 57th day of that particular challenge. And I came here to create a video blog, and behind me you can see these are mustard leaves are there, and the farmers are cuts mustard leaves from mustard sticks, and after that they are going to do threshing to get mustard seeds from these particular mustard leaves. And this side you can see this is gram seeds growing, and it is also able to create some gram seeds. And this is wheat crop is growing, and this is also having wheat grain inside of that particular wheat leaves. And as you all are well known, like I have started storytelling on my YouTube channel, so on continuous on storytelling today also I want to narrate some story. So through stay tuned till the end, and definitely if you are going to be with me till the end, then you are able to get a deep message which is hidden inside of that particular story. And so once upon a time there were two young boys who is living very far from their hometown or their family members, and they are living far from their hometown because of work or earning money. And it's been very long period they didn't came to their hometown, and they it's been almost 3 years, and they want to visit their hometown. So they both met and make a plan like we need to visit our hometown, and they do all the needful shoppings whatever needed in order to go to their hometown. And they try to find some vehicles to go to their hometown, but unfortunately they are not able to find any kind of vehicle to travel towards their hometown. So they decided to go to their hometown on walking or on foot. So they started their journey, and now when they are started their journey they are having some clothes with them, and also they are having some water and some food to eat. So they started walking on the foot, and on the street which is somehow ups and downs and narrow, and so many kind of paths were passed, and they continues on their journey. And after 3 or 4 day of walk or journey they are able to get to a river, and unfortunately due to the high flow of water the bridge is broken, and its flow away with the river, and there is no bridge kind of thing. So they tried to so many things, but there were two boy whose name is Rohan and Ram. So Rohan is very grateful person. He showing gratefulness towards all the natures and whatever he is having, and also is grateful towards the forest and trees and all. but same side, Ram is having personality like he's very angry person, and he's also seems or focusing on the things whatever he is not having, and likewise. So they both get tired and weak, and then Rohan said, "I think we need to rest in the shadow of that tree, and after that we are feeling some energetic, then we will try to again complete our journey." So they both sit under the tree, and it's heavily sunlights was there, so it's almost burning due to heavy sunlight, and they both sit under the tree. So suddenly Ram said, this tree is very useless, it is not having single fruit. So this tree is very useless tree. Then Rohan said, this is not a useless tree, even though it is not having fruit, but it is having a shade, and the shadow here we both are able to sit, and in this much temperature or burning sun, and also there are so many branches of that tree. On that there are so many birds are created their homes, and also due to its shade, when rain occur, then the soil is not able to go with the water due to its branches. Then tree suddenly said, I'm not a useless tree, I'm very great tree. And how you can say I'm useless tree, even I'm not having fruit, but also I'm able to give oxygen to you, and also I'm taking carbon dioxide whatever you leave, and also I'm having shade under that you are sitting now, you both are sitting now, and also I'm having so many birds houses on my branches. So how you can say I'm useless tree? So then Ram realized, sorry, Ram said, sorry, great tree, I'm said the things by mistake, and you are not a useless tree, you are very great tree, and it's my mistake. Then they both rest, and they realize like right now I'm having enough energy to walk or continue our journey. So they both restarted their journey from that point, and now they need to swim from the tree, because swim from that river, because that river is not having the bridge, because left bridge is broken due to heavy water in that river. So they discussed that we need to swim towards the river, so we are able to reach to the another point of that river. So they both get into the water, and they started swimming, and after so many efforts or so many long time efforts, they are able to get towards the another point of that river, and they both get shocked with the water. So they started thinking like, now we are feeling heavy due to water shocked in our clothes, so we need to change our clothes. So they both having clothes, so now they change their cloth, and suddenly the water bottle slip away from the Ram, and it is go into the water. So now they are not having water with them. So Ram started thinking like, now we are not having water, and now we need to travel along, but same time Rohan said, still we are not having water, but we are going to get water from somewhere, we need to continue our journey. So they walk continuous for a long duration, and they feel tired and exhausted. But suddenly it's heavily rain happen, so water is pour in the little grounds, and so they are able to get some water, and they are able to get rid from thirst, and likewise. So the moral of this story is, you if you are going to be grateful or thankful, and if you are able to use whatever you are having in present, so you are able to become more happy. And if you are just focusing on the things whatever you are not having in your life, so you are going to become more sad. And yeah, that's it. And this is the moral of that story. And if you are feeling like this is story is really meaningful, and you are able to understand this story, and if you are going to apply these moral on your life, then you are also able to change your life in a drastical way. So that's it. And if you are feeling my content is really helpful for you, then feel free to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share with someone who really need these kind of content. That's it. Thank you so much for being with me on this journey, and let's see what happen. Goodbye, take care, have a great day ahead.